In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule an email in Gmail step by step. Scheduling emails is a very useful feature if you want messages to be sent automatically at a later time or date. Whether you're managing work emails, client communication, newsletters, or personal reminders, Gmail makes it easy to prepare emails in advance and send them exactly when you want. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Log into your Google account if you haven't already. Once your inbox loads, click on the Compose button located on the left side of the screen to create a new email. Next, enter the recipient's email address in the To field. After that, type your subject line and write the email message you want to schedule. You can also add attachments, links, images, or format your email just like a normal Gmail message. Once your email is ready, do not click the regular Send button immediately. Instead, look for the small arrow icon located next to the Send button at the bottom of the Compose window. Click on this arrow to open additional sending options. From the drop-down menu, select Schedule Send. Gmail will now display several suggested times and dates for sending your email automatically. You can choose one of the recommended options or click Pick Date and Time if you want to create a custom schedule. If you choose a custom schedule, select the exact date and time you want the email to be delivered. After setting your preferred schedule, click Schedule Send to confirm. Gmail will then store the email and automatically send it at the selected time without requiring you to stay online. To view your scheduled emails later, look at the left side menu inside Gmail and click on Scheduled. Here, Gmail keeps all emails that are waiting to be sent. You can open scheduled emails anytime before they're delivered if you want to edit, reschedule, or cancel them. If you decide not to send the email anymore, simply open the scheduled message and click Cancel Send. Gmail will move the email back into your drafts so you can make changes or delete it completely. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to schedule an email in Gmail. This feature is perfect for improving productivity, sending emails across different time zones, and staying organized without needing to manually send messages later. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more Gmail tutorials, productivity tips, and tech guides.